To use floating windows on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, you have two ways to do so. The first method is to, first of all, open an app that you want to open in the floating window mode or pop-up view. Next, we're going to go to background apps, and you can press and hold your finger on the app, on the preview, in order to find this button over here, this rectangle within a rectangle. Of course, this option might not be available for every app, but if it's available, then you can just use it. And there we go. Now we can move our app around. You can, for example, grab by these three dots at the top in order to change the position. You can grab by corners in order to extend the size of the app, for example, just like that. And of course, you can do something in the background here as well. And furthermore, you can tap on these three dots that we have at the top of the app in order to, for example, switch to the split screen view, or you can return to the full screen, or you can close the app completely just like that. And the second way to use the floating window mode, you can use the sidebar for that. So if you open settings and go to additional settings in here, then you should be able to find floating windows. And in here we have the side toolbox. Of course, we need to have the sidebar enabled, but once you do have the sidebar on, we can actually reveal it. And if you open any app from the sidebar, then it should actually open in the pop-up view, as you can see over here. So that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.